Everything is sore. It's like burning. My shoulders, my neck, and my low back, which my low back never hurts. So this is a new one. But
I gotcha. So let's check that leg length here. Honestly, not too bad with the leg length.
really?
Yeah, right is, you know, maybe a millimeter shorter than the left, but yeah, honestly, not bad at all there.
Good.
And I know you said your hips are bothering you, but
Up here.
is it pain or more soreness?
No, just sore. Super sore.
Okay.
Not much of anything, and then yeah, that.
Center or
Right on the left, but then it's like almost right above it too.
okay.
It's not even like on the sciatic. It's like literally my low back.
Okay.
Crunchy. Woo! Wow.
Yeah, so for her, wifey doesn't, the face down, the lower cervical, upper thoracic ones, her body, she just, it's because it's like you know it's coming, and I've done it so many times, like you just kind of, just you know it's coming. Go face down now. Hitting that lower thoracic here. Hold on. One more time. Deep breath in and out.
Oh.
There we go.
So good.
Yeah, that hits usually about L1 to L3. So it gets those upper lumbar ones moving.
Oh.
There we go.
Wow.
In.
I did not cry.
Just maybe a little bit. You shed a tear or two. So this, when she's not, she's fighting me.
I know, I'm like rock hard. Ooh. I like that. Whoa! Dang.
You like that one?
Uh-huh.
Still, honestly, still really close. Alright, we're going to stabilize on the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me. Any issues with that one?
No, just kind of tightness right where I was saying it hurt.
What about left one?
Tight.
With her, just tightness on both. So
It's probably mainly because I got to stretch too.
well, I think your issue is going to be a little bit more on the like L5, L4, and maybe a little bit over the SI joints, but the actual apex is still going midline to the body. So we got a couple other spots, but we will get to those in a moment. I still, you know how I like getting the drops in on that low back so it can just help kind of increase that lumbar lordosis down here.
Oh! Oh! Oh, God.
Actually, I think you like this one.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. I don't even know, something up here. It's just like
Flip for me. Let that leg drop. Okay. That other side was actually quite a bit more of that one.
yeah. Okay.
Let's get them leg pulls in. So when I'm doing these, I know a lot of you guys you've seen, but the hip and more in the knee get released, and then the second pull I do is actually going to be more right on the ankle.
Oh, that felt so good. Oh. That felt great.
So I want to make sure we got, yeah, all the thoracic. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. All of them are good. Hands on your stomach. Rest.
Батюшки. Уф.
What did you feel? You're speechless right now.
Yeesh.
Yeah, I could tell he needed it.
Thank you, mi amor.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Hold on. Let me situate this situation. My neck feels amazing.
What about low back?
I don't feel anything. It feels great.
Squeeze your elbows. Alright, fall back.
Got something big, like one big pop. Did you hear that?
So, you and this Maine woman.
I told you we wildin' today. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Oh my lord.
You gotta breathe. You gotta breathe.
Ooh!
Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Oh my gosh!
Move it around. How does it feel?
It does feel better, but that did hurt.
A little pain for a little pleasure. Trust me, and I went weak. I went weak on you.
Really?
You should see some of the patients, man. Perfect.
I don't know what I did to myself.
Well, dude,
I think it's
hours of
between the
sitting.
gym and then, yeah, sitting in the car, sitting at the office.
Oh, yeah, you did.
I'm in a dress, by the way, because I was working behind the front desk today. So I don't normally wear a dress to a chiropractic cracking session.
No, you could. Low back, neck, and that spot in between the shoulder blade. There it was. And then I'm going to have you flip to the other side.
That was like a big one. I think the pains may be better. It just feels stiff. Maybe is that normal to feel stiff out?
Oh yeah, just because we got so much moving
Yeah.
in areas that have been compressed for such a long time, and I know you even said